Welcome to another episode in our affiliate marketing tutorial series. Struggling to find affiliate products that actually convert, not just get clicks? Let's simplify that by showing you how to choose affiliate products that truly drive commissions. How to pick affiliate products that actually convert. Not all affiliate products are created equal. If you want sales, you've got to promote the right ones with strong demand, trust, and solid payouts. Here's what to look for. Product relevance. Does the product align with your audience's needs and interests? A mismatch means low conversions. High-quality landing pages. Check the sales page or checkout process. If it looks shady or slow, visitors won't convert, no matter how good your traffic is. Affiliate-friendly payouts. Aim for recurring commissions, upsells, or high-ticket items that give you more return per referral. Why this works. Choosing the right products means more than just a good commission rate. It's about matching trustworthy, in-demand offers with an engaged audience. That's where conversions happen. Want a step-by-step system? Head over to website.fm. It walks you through choosing topics, creating content, and building a profitable affiliate site from scratch. Link in description box below. If you found this helpful, hit like, follow for more affiliate marketing tips, and I'll catch you in the next video.